Goddess Revival Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. This set is the Deluxe trend set for advanced level. It comes with 5 color gels, a rich collection of colors, diverse nail charms, and color papers for detailed and elaborate nail art. Start with ease, upgrade with confidence. Now let's DIY nail art with Beetles. For this nail art, we would use long coffin nail tips. Make sure to size up first. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Start from the thumb. Leave these color gels on nail art color paper provided in the set. Use a dotting pen to blend the color gels. We need a flat brush to draw French tips. Then use a liner brush to fix any uneven edges along the tips. Cure for 60 seconds. Let's apply nail charms. Apply rhinestone glue. Use the tweezer to pick up nail charm and paste. Use the liner brush to seal nail charm. Cure for 30 seconds. Repeat the previous step on middle finger. The following is index finger. Leave some color gels on nail art color paper. Blend with dotting pen. Use a flat brush to draw French tips. Then fix any uneven edges with a liner brush. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply nail art foil glue to French tip area. Cure for 60 seconds. Take out the nail foil stickers and the tweezer. Paste nail foil stickers. Be careful not to leave any gap. Peel off slightly. Let's apply nail rhinestones. Apply rhinestone glue. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestones and paste. Cure for 30 seconds. Next to go is ring finger. Apply matte top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. We need glossy top coat. Use a liner brush to draw irregular frames. Cure for 30 seconds. Then apply golden chrome powder. Don't forget to clean excess powder. Apply rhinestone glue. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestone and paste. Cure for 30 seconds. The last one is pinky. Leave some color gels on nail art color paper. Blend with dotting pen. Use a flat brush to apply the gels. Then cure for 60 seconds. Apply rhinestone glue. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestones and paste. Cure for 30 seconds. Glossy top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Well done. Now we are finished. Crafted for all mani skill levels, choose from Beetles Gel Polish DIY Set. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.